Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will be attempting to crack an Abus Bordo 6100 folding bike lock. My hope is that these locks will be improved as a response. Alright, so I cracked this lock yesterday by, just fooling around with it. I didn't really believe it and accidentally locked it up before I could check the combination, so I'm going to be picking it again today. All I really did was continuously, I started on the lock, on the number closest to the actuator button, and just continued rotating them until I felt a slight difference. That is all that lockpicking a combination lock essentially is, especially when you're talking about inexpensive bike lock. So let's see. As you can see, when you press this button, all of these numbers shift, and what I'm looking for is I'm looking for any slight differences when instead of all four of them, these three shift. I'm looking for, a difference in feel or a difference in the depth that this presses in. Just any differences and differences in sound. That sounds different. Now, the binding order is not always going to be in a row, but generally, for the most part, it is. And all you really have to do is continue going around with the dials until you feel something different. Alright, I think it felt a little different. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a 9 there. That feels deep. And sometimes when you rotate it slightly off center like that, you can feel it drop into the gate. I mean, that might just be the side. Yeah. This might actually be a faster way to do it. If I can feel that 3 feels good. That 1 feels good too. I'm going to put it at 3 for now. No. Yeah. You can see as I push the button in, it goes a little bit further. It feels slightly different. When I go against the 6, it moves it right about there. At the 5, it doesn't move it until a tiny little bit later. That means we must still have something wrong. Nope, 1 feels right. Okay, maybe that was wrong. Oh, that feels good. That feels good. What is it then? Nope. It must be this one. And we got it. We got the code. Got an unlock. The code is 1215. This is an Abus Bordo 6100 folding bike lock, guys. These are $120, $130 bike locks, and they have a vulnerability. They can be picked in under 10 minutes, 5 minutes by a novice lockpick. Stay away from these, guys. If you want something good, find something other than this. Apparently the LockPickingLawyer has a video out on shimming the 5700 because the locking mechanism in there is spring loaded. I don't know if that's the case with this one, but I do know that it has enough tolerance or enough play in the tolerances that you can feel when it's in the gate. Alright, please like, comment, and subscribe for more info about lock vulnerabilities and other things I'm interested in. Take care and stay safe. Bye.